Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Jazz and signing in, enter your phone number or email, verify the code, and set a secure PIN. Once done, allow permissions for location and notifications so features like local playlists and alerts work. Make sure to link any social logins now to speed future access. You'll also choose basic preferences, language and theme, so the app surface matches your habits and reduces friction as you continue. Next, you configure your profile and connect payment if you want premium features. This unlocks higher quality streaming and downloads. Once set, you search to find content, tap the plus to save items to library, and arrange playlists by dragging tracks. Make sure to test a download for offline use and try live sessions for real-time interaction. You'll learn shortcuts, long press for quick actions, so navigation becomes faster and more intuitive. To finish, sync your account so playlists and preferences appear on all devices, confirm downloads completed, and schedule any automatic backups. If playback or login fails, first clear the app cache and restart the app. If that doesn't help, reinstall to reset corrupted files. Make sure to collect the app's log ID before contacting support so resolution is faster. Finally, update the app regularly to get performance and security improvements that prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.